The YouTube app for iOS just received an update, and with it, a new dark theme. This could mean an increase in battery life for the iPhone X, which has an OLED screen instead of an LCD display. With traditional LCD technology, light emitted from a backlight travels through color-changing pixels. That means the backlight is always illuminated even if sections of the screen are black. With OLED technology, each pixel outputs its own light, meaning darker pixels require less power to drive than bright or white ones. That's why dark user interface modes on devices with OLED displays save on battery life. Last year, we tested iOS 11's new Smart Invert feature on the iPhone X, which is essentially a dark mode for iOS, and we saw incredible battery life savings. You can check it out by clicking the card above. To enable YouTube's dark theme, make sure you're updated to the latest version. Then tap the account icon, go to Settings, and you'll find an option to turn it on near the top. For our tests, we turned off auto brightness on our iPhone X, set auto lock to never, and locked in brightness at around 80%. For our first test, we left the YouTube app open on the homepage for 3 hours. The battery life dropped from 100% to 71%. We then charged it back up to 100% and did the same thing with YouTube's dark theme enabled. This time, the battery only went down to 88% after 3 hours. Now that's a pretty significant difference, seeing as all we did was switch to dark theme. We then turned on a 3-hour-long YouTube video and left the iPhone X standing upright to show the app's UI. 3 hours later, the battery was at 55%, which isn't too bad considering how much of the screen was white. We charged it back up to 100% and did the exact same test, except this time with YouTube's dark theme enabled. After 3 hours, the battery life was at 76%. That's actually really impressive. All we had to do was turn on dark theme. Imagine if this mode was true black instead of a dark gray. It would likely save even more battery life. Not to mention, you're not giving anything up by switching to dark theme. We think it has a much cleaner look and is actually easier on the eyes. YouTube's dark theme is currently only available on iOS for iPhone, but it should be coming to Android soon. Try it out for yourself and let us know if you noticed any battery life savings while using this mode on your iPhone X.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.